YouTube is SEO friendly and keyword research is one of the best way to understand your target audience. This way, you are able to create the kind of YouTube videos your audience is looking for. The better you can target and tailor your videos according to your audience, the more likely your videos will appear in their YouTube searches. This way, you will gain more views and ultimately gain more subscribers as well. In this video, I'll walk you through the concept of YouTube keywords, how they work, and how to do keyword research for your YouTube to gain more subscribers and views. First things first, what is YouTube keyword? YouTube keyword is a word or a phrase a user type in the search bar to find the YouTube videos they want to watch. So it's similar to how you type on Google search to find more information on a certain topic. Not only do these keywords tell us what the users are looking for, they also tell us what the language that these users use to find it. Some of the places you can use YouTube keywords on your YouTube channel are your video title, video description, playlist description, text, and also your thumbnail. Then you might ask, Rini, how to find keywords for YouTube videos? There are various ways that you can find keywords for your YouTube videos, and I'm going to share with you some of my personal ways I used to find keywords for my YouTube videos. Okay, let's start with the basic, which is using YouTube's autocomplete function. This is the first place you can look at finding keywords for your YouTube. It is pretty straightforward because of the autocomplete function. YouTube's autocomplete function is designed to churn out searches related to your query. You can easily jot down all the keywords that show up in these searches and start to create videos out of it. Let me show you an example. Okay, when you're on your YouTube, this is the search bar where you can actually do the YouTube autocomplete function. So imagine if you are looking for digital marketing topics. So it will help to autocomplete for you and you can straight away create videos based on these searches. Next platform I use frequently is the Hrefs. This platform has a free keyword generator and you can easily make videos out of the searches. Let me show you how it works. This is how the Hrefs keyword generator looks like. You can go to hrefs.com/keyword generator. You can choose either you want to search the Google, the Bing, the YouTube, or Amazon. So for example, I just want to search for Google. So let's search for digital marketing. And you can change the country based on where you want yourself to be. Like for example, if you want to just change it to Singapore, you can just go ahead and change this to Singapore. But if you want to have more variety in terms of the topics, you can just let it stay at United States. So after you have done with the topic that you want to search, you click on Find Keywords. So these are all the keywords that matches the digital marketing. So you can create videos based on these keywords that you have searched. So what I like about this Hrefs is actually they give you the keyword difficulty, basically how as an estimation of how hard it is to rank in the top 10. So if it's just digital marketing, the difficulty is 94. So there's a lot of people creating content based on digital marketing alone. But if you look down, so for example, you look at power digital marketing, you can see that there's 13. The 13 difficulty, the keyword difficulty is only 13. So meaning to say, if you were to create content based on power digital marketing, craft it around this topic, the chances of you getting into the top 10 of the searches is very high. So this way you can actually try to create videos based on these searches that you got from Hrefs. And finally, TubeBuddy. This is one of my favorite plugin to use when finding keywords for my YouTube videos. To maximize looking out for keywords in TubeBuddy, you have to be in a pro account. Click on the link in the description below to sign up as a pro account. TubeBuddy not only provide a list of great keywords, but it's also providing you data on the type of keywords that has more views and engagement, and you can create videos out of it. Yes, I know you're waiting for me to show you an example. Let's get into it. So for TubeBuddy, this is where the plugin is. This is the dashboard. You can go ahead and click on the Keyword Explorer. So in this Keyword Explorer, you can quickly type in the topic that you want to search for. So for example, again, let's type in digital marketing. Click on Explore, or you can also just go into the auto-complete as well. Click on Explore. And from here, you are able to see that the type of related searches that you can choose to create content. So for example, right, if you are creating content based on digital marketing course, you can click on this icon to have more ideas on what this topic or this content, this keyword is all about. So if you go under the results, right, you can also see in terms of the search results that is in the top few videos. So for example, this one is in the top 18 videos. So if you want to try to go into these search results, look at what kind of keywords these videos are using, especially the text and the title that they actually have for their each video. So if you look at each video, there's always digital marketing attached to it, and then you can go into the video itself to see like what kind of topic that their audience are looking out as well. So it's really good to find more keywords inside individual videos also. Okay, so now you have all these keywords churned out, right? And you might have already compiled a list in Excel sheet, document, or project management tool. You might have another question after this. How do you get more YouTube videos with all these keywords that you already have? In the next few minutes, I will share a few ways on how to make these keywords work for you. For me, I always try to determine search intent, meaning to say, for example, if a user types in an iPad Pro review, you can assume that this user is looking for a video that reviews the product. A user's search intent can also explain at which stage they are in the purchase funnel. Let me paint you a picture. If it is in the awareness stage, the search intent is to learn about a product. For example, what are noise cancelling headphones? If it is in interest stage, the search intent has a specific goal. Example, benefits of noise cancelling headphones. If it is in the desire stage, the search intent is knowledge about a possible purchase. Example, top noise cancelling headphones. And finally, if it is in the action stage, the search intent is to make a purchase. Example, purchase Audio Technica, model name, noise cancelling headphones. On top of this, I leverage on video chapters. Video chapters break up your videos into sections, and you can include titles for each section. These video chapters not only helping the users to quickly navigate through your video to the parts that they want to watch, but also give you the opportunity to further optimize your video with more keywords. How to add video chapters? Let me show you. Okay, so how to add in video chapters is all you need to do is go into your YouTube studio, go into your content. This is if you have already uploaded the videos, okay? But if before you upload the videos, you can straight away have the chapters up onto the description. So for example, if you already upload the videos and you want to add in more chapters, all you need to do is just go to YouTube Studio and content and choose one of the videos. So let's say I choose this video. And if you look at my video, I don't have any chapters for this particular one. So I can actually do a chapter at in the description itself. So how to do chapters is you can type in timestamp. Alright, it always has to start with 000, which is the beginning of the video, and then maybe you can put introduction. Okay, and then you can actually look through the videos, you watch through the videos. So like for example, if the timing is at 1:10 minutes, this is another topic. Okay, so you have to put at the timing as 0110 and topic number 1. Okay, and so on and so forth. But what I like, this is manually. If you don't have the TubeBuddy or anything, this is how you manually include the chapters. But if you do have a TubeBuddy, all you need to do is just scroll down, okay, and add chapters. So click on the add chapters. What I like about having the TubeBuddy function, it can automatically help me. So for example, 0000 is already on introduction. Okay, if I click here, alright, and I add this plus icon, I click on the plus icon, and I put in this as product review. It can automatically add for me the timing. I don't have to manually scroll the whole video. So this is what I like about TubeBuddy when it comes to adding video chapters. Check out the link in the description below to subscribe to YouTube for a pro account. In conclusion, YouTube keywords are very much involved when you want to gain more views and subscribers in your YouTube channel. Not only you can include YouTube keywords in your long form video content, you can also include them in your YouTube shorts. Click on this video to steal my YouTube workflow so that you can immediately implement. See you in the next one.